The 33 accused in the Clansman gang trial pleaded not guilty to being part of a criminal organization and other charges. The alleged leader of the gang, Andre Blackman Bryan, and his 32 accomplices include a woman. Now, Raquel Porter is covering the trial and now joins us in studio. Raquel, what can you tell us?
Thank you. So the Wandan gang is a splinter of the Clansman gang, which is based in Spanish Town, St. Catherine. There was heavy police presence in the vicinity of the Home Circuit Court this morning. The matter was called up about 10 o'clock. The court was told that the alleged gangsters are accused of committing murders, conspiracy to murders, and arson between 2015 and 2019. They are being tried under the Anti-Gang Act and the Firearms Act. The prosecution, during the opening arguments today, Ermond, outlined the role that the gang leader, Andre Blackman Bryan, and his 32 accomplices, including a woman, played.
We assert that the leader of this criminal organization is the accused, Mr. Andre Bryan, otherwise called Blackman, or Teacher, and Garth, and that the other 32 persons held various roles and had various responsibilities within the gang. Some of these roles, my lord, and responsibilities are notably killers or shooters, bankers, drivers, lookout men or watchmen for the gang, gunsmiths, armorers, and of course, the foot soldiers.
So the court also heard that the lone female accused was linked between gangsters and rogue members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force.
Stephanie Christie, my lord, held the esteemed position of head to the gang's treasury. Miss Stephanie Christie, my lord, held the esteemed position of serving as a liaison officer between the incarcerated members of the gang and those that were free. She was also responsible for securing legal representation for any member of the gang that may so need one. And she also served as a link between gang members and weary members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force.
So tomorrow, 2 former members turned state witnesses are expected to testify from a remote location.
All right, thank you very much. Raquel Porter there giving us the latest on that trial now on at the Home Circuit Court. Now, as Raquel reported, the trial of the 33 members of the St. Catherine-based Clansman gang prompted an elevated security presence in the area surrounding the Supreme Court in downtown Kingston today. Several intersections near the court were blocked to vehicular traffic. Deputy Commissioner of Police Fitz Bailey says it's strictly for security reasons.
Our intention is to ensure that everyone
Now, as it relates to the case, Mr. Bailey says the police have done all they can to present a strong case before the court.
the bottom line is the police continues to do our work, to do our investigation. We would have secured the best evidence that is available to us and presented it to the prosecutors who make the determination in terms of charges. And we await the determination of the court, which is independent, and they will interpret the evidence that is available. Our intention is to ensure that justice is done.